I had my first complete wig fail review. It was not good. Here's what happened. Okay. Oh, this color is really, really beautiful. Okay, I need a brush. If I can keep her out of my face to be able to show you. She does want to go right in my face right out of the box. So you will need to do a little bit of training here, which you can do with a blow dryer or a heat comb. Oh my goodness. I just could not get her to behave, and I still can't get her to behave. So this is a Belle Tress wig, my first epic fail Belle Tress wig, because everyone has been perfection until this went on a super sale, and her construction is amazing, absolutely flawless. Her hairstyle is what's causing me some grief. So this is Bella, and she is in the pumpkin pie spice. Now the problem here is that on one side, she has these bangs that come to about here. On this side, she has no bangs. Well, that's not true. She has these bangs that come to here, and then these that come to here. But there's no short bangs on this side. And she has a monofilament, so you can part her wherever you want. She's an actually exceptional monofilament. It has all this monofilament space. She's hand-tied. She has these fabulous little pull straps to make her smaller or bigger. She has these silicone ear tabs. I love them so much. So she is a phenomenal wig. Love these layers. Love this color. This color has these like blonde streaks through it. It's, you know, it's a copper with these beautiful, beautiful blonde streaks. Oh, so I love her. And this is my first copper with Belle Tress. So you know I love her, love her, love her. But what are we going to do about those bangs? So I thought I could just give her a new part, maybe down the middle, and do this. But then you see these bangs, you see the little bangs, and they're like under where these would fall. So it's not even like they're on top, so you could like fluff them over, and then there's nothing on this side. So I don't think that's the answer. Now I could move it all to this side and kind of hide those bangs, which that might be a good idea. I could just hide them like that. Then no one even knows that those shorter bangs are there. So that's an option. Or I could, maybe, I know, I could cut them a little and just like pull the shorter bangs like maybe here. And I don't really want to cut a Belle Tress wig. I mean, I don't know. If you have this wig, please let me know what you did. But first, we're just going to get this off our face because I can't even think when it's all up in my business. So when you are pulling hair away from your face, you're going to want to start here, not necessarily in the hair in front, because if you only do the hair in front, the hair behind the front is just going to fall forward again anyway. So that will not help you. So I have two tools to use here. I usually use a blow dryer, but I also have my heat comb. So I like to give them a little spray, kind of dig your fingers in there and get all those hairs to start moving back. And then to keep them back, you must heat them and then hold them in place or clip them in place until they cool completely. That is what holds your form. Her a lot better because I kind of blended in these bangs into more just like it just is blending in with the hair, so it's not just like sticking out like here I am, bangs over here that don't fit in, and then just pulling this off my face so I could even process what was happening really, really helps. And you don't have to have it that much. You can, you know how you always have like a few crazy hairs? I just pull them out and I get a new wig and those crazy hairs don't want to go where they're supposed to. I just boop, bye-bye. Definitely liking this more. Now it doesn't seem super awkward. Okay. This is good. This is good. This color. Woo. If any of you have been following me for a long time, you know that I love my coppers. So this is much better. Much, much better. What do you think? Probably tangled back there. Ugh. Oh, she's so pretty though. Okay, so did we do a better job? Have you gotten this wig and wondered what to do? Because I was a little floored and had to figure it out. You know, sometimes you get a wig and you put it on your head and it does something like that, and just automatically you get so disappointed. You just think that you just have to quit, or you just throw it away, or you give it to a friend, or you put it in the closet and don't think about it for a long, long time. But there's usually ways to fix things. So we just got to figure out what that is, because there's something that attracted you to that wig. There's a reason you want it. And so sometimes you just got to do a few things to make it your own. Thank you for coming on this ride with me and helping me figure out what I could do. And no wig review on this one. This was the wig review. Because my first wig review was an epic fail. But you can always turn a fail into a positive. You just have to figure it out.